Hello everyone, and welcome to another video of the Mathematecher channel. We have the numerical function f, of which the input set is the open interval 0 to positive infinity, and which associates to the variable x of this interval the image fx that equals x to the power of 3 times 4 minus 1 over x. We're asked to study the limits of this function at the endpoints of its input set, which are 0 and positive infinity. So we'll start by calculating the limit of the function f when the variable x heads to positive infinity, as it is easier to determine. So, if we note and define the function u such that ux is equal to x to the power of 3, and the function v, of which the image vx equals 4 minus 1 over x, we would have our function f equal to the product of the functions u and v, so we can calculate its limit when x heads to positive infinity by calculating and multiplying the limits of the functions u and v when x heads to positive infinity. Hence, we have the limit of ux when x heads to positive infinity, which equals the limit of x to the power of 3 when x heads to positive infinity, that is obviously equal to positive infinity. Beside that, we have the limit of vx when x heads to positive infinity, which is equal to the limit of 4 minus 1 over x when x heads to positive infinity, and this limit equals 4 as the limit of 1 over x when x heads to positive infinity equals 0. Therefore, the limit of our function fx when x heads to positive infinity, which equals the product of the limits of ux and vx when x heads to positive infinity, equals positive infinity. We will now calculate the limit of our function f when x heads to 0 from above, as the input set of our function is 0 to positive infinity. So according to our approach, of which our function f equals the product of the functions u and v, if we calculate the limit of ux when x heads to 0 by greater values, we find that it equals the limit of x to the power of 3 when x heads to 0 from above, which is obviously equal to 0. Beside that, we have the limit of vx when x heads to 0 by greater values, which equals the limit of 4 minus 1 over x when x heads to 0 from above, that equals negative infinity. Now, if we try to calculate the limit of fx when x heads to 0 from above as equal to the product of the limits of ux and vx when x heads to 0 from above, we find that it equals 0 times negative infinity, which raises the case of an indeterminate form. So in order to bypass this, we will expand the expression of fx. So, as fx, which equals x to the power of 3 times 4 minus 1 over x, can be written as equal to 4 times x to the power of 3 minus x squared. Then the limit of fx when x heads to 0 from above equals the limit of 4 times x to the power of 3 minus x squared when x heads to 0 from above, which equals 0. As always, thank you for watching the video. Give it a thumbs up and share it. Subscribe to the channel and activate the notification bell for more. And until the next video, have a great time.